Hello, this is Muthuswamy Chandran back again. Having defined the corporate journey in 4C zone and learned the cautious zone, how to overcome the fear of unknown by OAAP principle, let's move forward and talk about today comfort zone. More than 90% of the people will move from cautious zone to comfort zone. This zone is also called the familiar zone or a pleasure zone. It is called familiar zone because you are already acquainted with the people, the process, the products and services, and also the deliverable to the company. More than 70% of the people will stick around in this zone and execute their task as a matter of routines. What is stopping them or preventing them to take an additional responsibility is nothing but fear of failure. As I said in my previous video, fear of failure is attached to comfort zone. Let's look at what are the attributes of fear of failure. Number one, they feel they cannot execute. They think they may not get enough support. They are also scared of losing their position and also being embarrassed. It's again a human nature not to take a risk. But if you don't take a risk, you will not grow. Lack of growth leads to stagnation. So it is highly essential or imperative that one should take an extra step to start taking additional responsibility and execute well so that you will be identified as a potential candidate for future growth. Following are my suggestions to overcome the fear of failures. Suggestion number one. Avoid people with a negative attitude, such as people saying impossible to do, difficult to do, time consuming to do. Please see that these words does not influence you. Number two, avoid whining and mumbling. While you are given additional task, please welcome it. Your senior may test you how you are working under pressure. Number three, avoid being content just because people around you doing the same thing. Be inspired by the people who are willing to take additional responsibility. Number four, avoid distraction and disruption while doing your work. Finish your task before you engage with your colleagues and friends for breaks. Give top priority to your task. By avoiding this, you may be surrounded by the positive energy to move forward. Having got the positive frame of mind, you always think what is next. That means you are stepping out of your comfort zone and beating the fear of failures with confidence. I always say confidence is the fuel for the growth. In order to move forward, I would like to suggest 4B principle. Let me start putting what is the 4B principle all about. Believe in yourself. Self-confidence in your abilities to perform well. Begin to learn things. Dream beyond your job description. Behave professionally. Be confident, be polite, be a good listener, have a clarity in communication with the people, and be conscious about a non-verbal communication like eye contact, handshaking, and your body language. Be ready to take risk. Take additional responsibility apart from your daily routines. Ask and learn how to execute efficiently. There is a mathematical equation to improve your results. Effort multiplied by talent will give skill. Effort multiplied by skill will give enhanced output. Talent is a natural ability. Skill is an ability acquired by training and practicing. No matter how talented you are, if you do not put efforts, you will not move forward. The comfort zone is all about listen, learn and grow. I will end this video by putting my own quote. The mind should be used not only to store the history but to create history. I hope you enjoyed my video. Give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and we will talk about the confidence zone in another few days time. Thank you very much.